Now, your battery speaks and links all.
At LiTime, we've redefined the battery from Technology 1 to Gen 5, evolving from silent storage to intelligent power, powering your outdoor adventures for generations to come. It starts with safety, self-protecting batteries that guard against risks.
Then, real-world performance. On water, in the desert, or in freezing cold, you stay powered with confidence. Gen 3 takes the next step. Monitor your battery in real time, switch modes, and get instant alerts on your phone. Your system grows with you. Up to 16 batteries working as one, managed with a single tap. Gen 5 goes further. Remote updates, seamless integration with Victron, and a smart energy network that's always connected and evolving. Not just the next step. A new era of energy.
Listen, your batteries now speak.